What have I got for you this week? Well, let's see. It's seed oil, which is also known as sesame seed oil. And I'm using a pressure cooker. And this is minced garlic, which means you don't have to chop it yourself. This is already minced. And this is Korean gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste, which I'm trying to cook a Korean dish today. And also you have the kimchi. Of course, I think everyone knows the Korean kimchi. So I'm going to try to cook a Korean dish, the Sundubu Jjigae, well, in my pressure cooker. This is tofu, soft tofu. So I put in a bit of garlic, about 1 teaspoon. This is the minced garlic. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of the linseed oil or seed oil, or what you call sesame seed oil. So either one of those, just a little bit will do, about maybe half a teaspoon will do, just to fry the garlic, get the fragrance going. Yeah, use a little plastic spatula to stir fry and saute the garlic a bit to release the fragrance before I add in the gochujang chili paste, which is about 1 teaspoon Korean chili paste. So you can actually adjust the level according to your taste. If you like more spicy, more red colored, you can put maybe 2-3 teaspoons. It's really up to you. And you can add a bit of what you call the oyster sauce if you so like, or a little bit of salt and sugar if you want. So this is a very basic one, and I'm adding up about 2 cups of water before I let it boil. There we go. So another cup of water before I will put in. Now is the kimchi. I put in about half the container of kimchi. If you are someone who loves kimchi a lot and you want to be more spicy taste, then you can put the whole container load in. But for me, I am just going for a very basic taste, so you can actually add the ingredients as you like, because this is the flexibility of cooking a Korean dish, for me anyway, because you can adjust the taste according to how much you like, how spicy or how much of the kimchi taste you enjoy. It's always good to keep a can or a container of kimchi in your fridge, because they are available anytime you want to cook up a Korean dish with the gochujang chili sauce or chili paste. It's so convenient. So you can see actually the red color of the soup, which is being boiled. I don't have a Korean stone pot, but I'm trying to cook it with a pressure cooker. Okay, I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to set it to lentil, which is about 20 minutes of pressure cooking. Now I think it's done. Of course, I fast forward the timing. Oh, that's the steam coming out from the pressure cooker when you release it and open up the lid and the cover. It does look very, very nice. This is the soft tofu, which I've cut into square cubes. And I'm going to put it in and add it into the flavoring. As I said before, the tofu itself doesn't really have much taste. So if you are someone who likes a very strong taste of spiciness, you can add more gochujang. It's a Korean chili paste, and a little bit more of Korean kimchi if you so like. I mean, it's really up to you, because I don't know how much of a taste you have for spiciness. But for me, I'm just cooking a very basic, well, it's a basic spiciness, which I prefer, and I can always add up or down as I like. Because once you cook it too spicy, then you can't change and reverse. Okay, now I'm going to put it in and I'm going to cook it for another about 14 minutes. Basically to let the tofu have a bit of time to cook up before I will add in the final touch, which is the egg on top. Oh, there it's ready. The wonderful thing about the pressure cooker is that it has the sound when it's time up and it's safe for you to open up the pressure cooker. It rings a bell. There you have it, the very nice color of tofu with the ingredients of gochujang, the Korean chili paste, and also the Korean kimchi. So I'm going to scoop it out into a bowl. You can add a little bit less water if you prefer a much thicker stock. Maybe 1 cup of water if you like. It really is up to you. I'm doing something which is a little bit nice for the taste and not too spicy and not too strong. Okay, scooping up the kimchi and the soft tofu together with the soup base, and I'm gonna add in 1 egg to it before it's ready for dinner. Fast and easy to cook and always delicious.